Assalamualaikum and good morning, sir and everyone. My name is Ahmad Amirul Anwar, and today I'll present to you my case study entitled Risk Assessment During the Design and Development Process of Vibratory Ball Fitting System at LA Engineering Sdn Bhd. This case study was conducted during my industrial training in the design department. The objective of the study is to identify workplace hazard, assess their risk using the hierarchy method. I recommend suitable control measures to improve workplace safety. Company background. LA Feeding Engineering Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian company specializing in industrial automation system, particularly vibratory ball feeders, linear feeders, hopper feeders, and complete feeding system. The company serves various industries such as automotive electronics, medical device, food packaging, and precision manufacturing. The company serve the company provides complete engineering service, including machine and design, CNC machining, fabrication, assembly, electrical wiring, installation, testing, and maintenance. During my internship, I was assigned to the design department, where I assisted in preparing engineering drawings and supporting machine development. Okay, design department. Design department is responsible for transforming customer requirements into engineering drawing using SolidWorks and AutoCAD. Depends on what they're asking for. The department also support production by preparing fabrication drawing, assembly drawings, and bills of materials. Although most activities are office-based, engineers frequently visit the production area to inspect fabricate components and discuss technical issues with production personnel. Because of this, employees are exposed to ergonomic, physical, electrical, and organizational hazards. Hazards. The objective of this case study are to identify hazards in the design department, to assess the level of risk using hierarchy method, to recommend practical safety improvement, to reduce workplace accidents and improve engineering productivity. The information gathering method. Three methods were used in the study. The first method was workplace observation, where I observed employees' working posture, workstation arrangement, lighting condition, cable management, housekeeping, and production area activities. The second method was a document review, where I reviewed company documents such as standard operating procedures, engineering drawing approval forms, drawing revision records, project design checklists, and workplace safety guidelines. This method helped me identify hazards and evaluate the effectiveness of the company's current safety practice. Hazard identification. Through workplace observation and document review, I identified 20 workplace hazards in the design department. These hazards were grouped into several categories: ergonomic hazards, mechanical hazards, electrical hazards, physical hazards, environmental hazards, organizational hazards. Some examples include eye strain caused by prolonged daily work, poor sitting posture, manual handling of prototype components, sharp edge of fabricate parts, noise exposure during production visits, electrical hazard from damaged equipment, and communication errors between departments, and stress caused by the project deadlines. Hierarchy method. After identifying the hazards, I use the hierarchy method. Hierarchy consists of three stages. First, hazard identification. Second, risk assessment, where each hazard is evaluated based on likelihood and severity. The risk rating is calculated using the risk rating equal to likelihood multiply severity. Finally, risk control, where suitable control measures are selected according to the hierarchy of the controls. Risk analysis. Based on the assessment, most hazards were classified as medium risk, while 6 hazards were identified as a high risk. These high risk hazards were poor working posture, manual handling of heavy components, electrical hazards, lack of standardized drawing approval procedure, failure to use PPE when entering the production area, block emergency exits. These hazards require immediate attention because they could affect employee safety, machine quality, and production efficiency. The recommended improvement. Several improvements are recommended. First, improve workstation ergonomic while providing adjustable chairs and proper monitor positioning. Second is implement a standardized drawing approval checklist before releasing drawings to production. Third, organize computer cables to reduce trip hazards. Fourth, conduct regular safety training and monthly workplace inspection. Finally, ensure that employees wear appropriate PPE whenever they enter the production area. These improvements are practical and can significantly reduce workplace risks. And the last one is the conclusion. In conclusion, this case study successfully identified workplace hazard in the design department of LA Feeding Engineering Center Berhad. The HIRA assessment showed that ergonomic hazards, manual handling, electrical safety, and the document control are the main areas requiring improvement. By implementing ergonomic improvement, improving communication, strengthening drawing procedures, and promoting continuous safety awareness, the company can provide a safer working environment while maintaining high engineering quality and productivity. Thank you for your attention.